Hello everyone and welcome to my new video presentation right here on PrimeXBT exchange. Today I would like to share with you transparently and continue my journey of trading. This is another motivational video and discussion, more likely a speech across the results that I've been able to achieve and I would like to achieve with this specific trade. We got a very bullish signal right now on Bitcoin, so I'm about to enter long on our trade. We've got our margin right here on PrimeXBT available. The available margin is slightly above $100,000. No trades active right now over here, so we're gonna enter long and then discuss about other things as well. Now, it's pretty simple to use this platform. You click on the buy right here once you select a market. The leverage is always cross and it takes the highest leverage you can basically take for the specific account you're having. Then you just click on buy over here. It will give you the initial margin impact, the current price, and the market order or limit order you can actually set up. We're going to take a very large position here of 100 Bitcoins as soon as we're allowed to do this, and of course we're allowed because the margin impact is 1.75, and then from there it basically takes out of the available margin or builds on the available margin, depends how the trade goes. Then here it's the place where you put the stop loss and take profit and all these things that are going pretty fine. So I'm gonna put those things as well very soon once I open up the trade. I like to put them afterwards because I still have to do a couple of technical things as per my targets, which are the second and third targets. I do have my initial target, my main target set up very nicely, and I do have my stop loss also set in my mind very nicely. There we go. We've been able to open up our position of 100 Bitcoins at 11,529. And we're building on it. So all the actions we're doing are backed up by data on technical analysis. Everything we're doing here is just because that's what the data of the market told us to do. Not that's because what we actually want as a personal decision or opinion. It's never like that. You cannot trade based on your personal desires because those are actually the emotions that are controlling you. And that's a total disaster. Now, for now, we're gonna let this thing run and see the outcome of it. Once we got the profit we're looking for and hitting the target, we're gonna resume the recording and share with you the results, guys. Let's just keep together and watch after this trade. Let's get into our trade, guys. I've just wanted to exit out of our position right here on PrimeXBT. We've been able to secure a quite nice profit. Well, actually, we didn't secure it until we are going to close down the trade. So this one has so far 1.46 Bitcoins profit on it. With our size of 100 Bitcoins entering at 529, our pure profit is 1.48 right now. We're looking to exit as fast as possible due to the fact that we're kind of in a danger area right now and it's no longer worth the context of risking the money. So we're going to close this thing down on PrimeXBT as fast as possible. Just simply right click on the order, click close position. It will tell you the sort of a way conditions and profit and loss ratio, all these things. Basically hit close position. It will tell you exactly how much is your profit and loss ratio at what price, and you click confirm. There you go, especially at the market order, which is very nice. Very nice at the market order. Now let's take a look inside the account and see the amount of money that has been earned within this trade. There you go, guys. We bought into at 529. This is the trade. We sold at 699. 1.44 Bitcoins. We paid this commission right here. And then we ended up in a profit of $16,961. Decent.
that I would say more than decent. However, we got a powerful trade at 100 Bitcoins. So the market went up 1.5%. We're taking advantage of that and closing it at $16,961. Very good. Great. So for those of you looking to find out more about my services, about my certified way coaching or PrimeXBT, you can join the platform and trade very nicely. Feel free to check the links in the description area and watch this video till the end. Thank you once again, guys, and I'm waiting you in the comments area.